Andrea Caldarelli, Lamborghini factory driver. We are here in Vallelunga today to take you on board the Lamborghini Revuelto, the first V12 plug-in hybrid. Let's push this to the limit. (1015 CV straight away with a nice burnout and 0-100 in just 2.5 seconds. And we are here already, first corner, third gear. You can really appreciate the active aerodynamic kicking in, especially when you hit the brake. You see from your rear view mirrors the wing going up. It's amazing how much downforce we are able to generate. But then you go on power and you look at this, it's so fun. Also all the gear changes, amazing, with a double clutch transmission, 8-speed. You can really feel all the gears going in so smoothly. Now a very slow corner in second gear, we put the nose in, and here you go. Like when you ask for power, you have those 3 electric motors plus the V12 engine kicking in all together. It's so smooth. It's insane how we can be so smooth with a V12 engine thanks to the electric torque vectoring from the electric motor. It gives you such a nice feeling and precision on driving that we never had before on a Lamborghini, and now it's such a privilege to drive it around this track and have all this feeling. In a corner like this where you have to have a double apex, a bit of steering angle, wait there, push on throttle, waiting that the electric motor kick in from the front, the V12 from the back, and then you don't even feel it. You are in 6th gear doing 250 kilometers an hour, and you don't really feel that you upshift actually 4 gears. Obviously we are in Corsa mode that gives you all the best. Literally you can feel every single centimeter of the track. Every steering input is so precise. Such an amazing machine. Amazing. This is Lamborghini DNA, you know. You want to have fun when you are on track. You wanted to push it to the limit. And this new Revuelto really gives you this. Our new V12 plug-in hybrid.